How do mRNA vaccines trigger an immune response? Imagine a tiny message inside your body that can teach your immune system how to fight off a virus. That's what mRNA vaccines do. They send a special set of instructions to your cells. These instructions tell your cells to make a piece of the virus, usually a surface protein like the spike protein of the coronavirus. Once your cells produce this protein, they display it on their surface or releases it into the body. This alerts your immune system that something foreign is present. When the vaccine is injected, tiny fat bubbles called lipid nanoparticles carry the messenger RNA, or mRNA, into your cells. Inside your cells, the mRNA is read by tiny structures called ribosomes, which are like little factories. These factories produce the viral protein based on the instructions in the mRNA. The mRNA itself doesn't go into your DNA, so it doesn't change your genetic code. It's only there temporarily, making the protein and then breaking down naturally. Next, the viral proteins are processed inside the cells into smaller pieces called antigens. These antigens are loaded onto molecules called major histocompatibility complex molecules on the cell surface. This process is like displaying a flag that says, "Hey, look at this." The cells then travel to nearby lymph nodes, which are small immune hubs. In the lymph nodes, the immune cells called T cells and B cells are activated. T cells become helper cells or killer cells that coordinate attacks against infected cells. B cells start producing antibodies that can recognize and neutralize the virus. These antibodies are like targeted missiles ready to strike if the real virus shows up. At the same time, the vaccine also triggers the innate immune system, which is your body's first line of defense. Receptors called toll-like receptors detect the mRNA and the lipid nanoparticles, leading to the releases of signaling molecules called cytokines. These cytokines create a kind of inflammation that helps boost the immune response. Interestingly, mRNA vaccines can also cause changes in innate immune cells that make them more responsive in the future. This process is called training, and it can help your body fight off other infections better. All these steps lead to the creation of memory T cells and B cells. These cells stay in your body for a long time, ready to respond quickly if you encounter the virus later. So, in simple terms, mRNA vaccines teach your immune system to recognize a virus without exposing you to the actual virus. They give your body a blueprint to produce a harmless piece of the virus, which then trains your immune system to protect you. This way, if you ever come into contact with the real virus, your immune system is prepared to fight it off swiftly and effectively.